Hi guys, welcome to my video. So as requested on Instagram, I am going to be doing a brighten face routine, the products I use and how I get this brighten complexion on my face with the products from Arbonne. Get straight into it. Bye! So I am going to start off with No.7 Beautiful Skin Perfecting Body Polish. So this is an exfoliator that I start off with normally when I'm in the shower, and it just goes all over the face, and this gets rid of like extra oils in the skin and things like that. So I just take a damp cloth and dab it into the skin, and that helps with getting rid of dead skin and everything as well, and washes that all off. Next thing I use is Arbonne Deep Pore from the Clear Future. This product is amazing for reducing pores and cleaning out your pores, and it just goes over the nose area, and it helps with brightening as well. And then just dampen the face and wash with a face cloth. Then I dry my face with a plain towel. Next step is coconut oil. This is from Asda's. Also I use another one from the drugstore, and that's for hair and skin as well. And I just put this all over my face, and it just hydrates and makes it look brighter and cleaner, and it looks absolutely lovely underneath makeup and things like that as well. Next, to lock in all that moisture, I'm using the RE9 serum for your skin. I've already done another video on this, but just literally the teeniest little bit on your hand, and then rub it all in the skin in a dabbing motion. It rehydrates and keeps everything looking glowing. And very quickly, not to forget about the lips, I am using Nivea Original SkinCare lip balm just to keep my lips moisturised as well, so lipstick looks better and the lips are more smoother to apply makeup onto. And that is it for this brightening face tutorial. I will show you a before and after, and I'll see you guys in the next video.